Okay, I have seen squirrel and guinea fights. See the squirrel on top of the feeder? The squirrel in the feeder? The guinea is wanting sunflower seeds so bad. Let's just see if it works. I don't know that he's going to jump on it, but he did while ago. And we have fights when that occurs. Just thinking about it. Don't know that he's going to do it. About the time I quit, he'll do it. You see him thinking about it? Watch him. There he goes. And I want you to watch these squirrels. Did you see that?